Welcome to this beautiful barangay of Sibaltan. Yan. Yan. These are the sandbars here. It's a lot of playgrounds here of sandbars. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the 5, and it's 6 sandbars that you can see here. In front of this is the Binalbulan, which is part already of Taytay, Palawan. And here, going to the south, where I'm standing, is 2 kilometers away from Eureka Resort or Treasure Point area. And here, yeah, now we are facing to the sunset. Yeah, so if you are at the beach, you go towards the mainland, and that is where the sunset is, and that's where the barangay of Sibaltan, where they celebrating their fiesta this time. And that is their islet here. You see, at the back of me is the islet. Yeah. Hi, Mahal. Yeah, I'm showing here the surroundings. Okay, say hello. Hello. Okay. Now, okay, let's go back. Let's go back to the car. Come. Let's go back to our resort. Okay. Look at that. Okay, baby. Sige na, tara na. Amos taran, mga tangay. Magpakon kayo digi sa atong Sibaltan, El Nido, Philippines. Ayan na. Okay, bye for now, everyone. I'll see you next time on my next episode.